What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, I was thinking, I said I might finally show y'all a little sample. We're gonna show y'all, man. I'm finna call. I'm in the middle of testing, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna break the camera out, cause I've been messing with the car, doing a few little things here and there, little knickknacks, trying some stuff out. So I'm finna take it out and finna take over RnB out, man. Wifey gonna catch the outside footage this time. So what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna finally light the boards up. What do they say? Light the boards up in the road, cause you know what they call runs in the road versus at the track is a little different. But I told y'all that before. They're the same with all the cars. What they run the road and the track, two different things. So, and what it's gonna run today not gonna be accurate, cause it's heat. Like I said, I've been testing. I already been in the middle of testing. It's super hot, so it ain't gonna be accurate. Now, if you're in the BCG Hangout, you already know what it do. But, like I was saying, I need you to come up the road too. I need you to film this. But like I was saying, if you're in the BCG, I've been seeing y'all ask about what the BCG Hangout is, cause some of y'all didn't see the video. BCG Hangout been going on about four months. But in my members only area, called what I have going on, I do a lot of stuff behind the scene. If people ain't figured out by now, I do a lot of stuff behind the scene. People didn't figure out when I surprised everybody when I switched the engine in Dolo, and then nobody knowing I had expect the whole new combination, cause I did it in 34 days. Then they ain't gonna figure it out basically. But if they ain't figured out by now, they ain't figured out. But I don't show everything, man. It's a lot of stuff that go on behind the scene I don't show. It's a lot of stuff I did last year, whole lot of testing, and I got the footage that I never showed, man. Whole lot of stuff, and that's the type of stuff I show in the BCG Hangout now. So when I'm testing, or if I go to the track and I haven't yet revealed my ET on the car, everybody in the BCG Hangout know already, cause them my people. Cause I was trying to figure out, you know, I don't do this stuff to be secretive. I do it now. I be secretive sometimes, cause you know you always got haters watching. You got haters watching. People be want to race for clout. Some people want to race just to have fun, just to race me. I'm cool, you know, or just to have fun. They're cool. But you got a lot of people that ain't what they doing it for. So for them type people that you know lurking behind the scene watching every video, I can't show. That's why I don't show. I wait till the end of the year. I reveal a time. Then I bust out with a new car. And then ain't nobody gonna know what the time is. So that's how I did with John Jones. I had John Jones for like 2 years before I finally revealed the ET. And everybody, a lot of folk were wrong. They were saying the car this and that. They were wrong. But in the BCG Hangout, you know what type of time every car on. They know. So it's just like the BCG Hangout, it's like a place where the people that you invite to your house. You know what I'm saying? Like your buddies you invite to your house, and y'all under the hood, you pop the hood, they see the engine and all that. They know what side engine. They know what you got. These are the people, you know, at your house, and they ride to the track with you, they help you out. That's what the BCG Hangout is, basically. And like I said, I just did it like that because I don't set the prices. I mean, it's $10 a month. I mean, that's the lowest price you can choose for YouTube. It's all integrated through YouTube, but you got to go on the laptop to sign up, if I remember right. And you can just go to my channel and it'll say join or something like that. But I got to shout out the people that have been in it from the beginning. Y'all some real ones. And if you get in the Hangout, like I said, you're going to get at least 3 videos a month. At least 3. I keep it all the way real, man. You're going to get at least 3. Sometimes they get more. Sometimes they get more than that. But every time I go to the track, they get a different video. Because they the hangout. So I got to get in and report what happened and this and that. Like they know what's going on with Big Dolo. They know exactly what's going on with Big Dolo right now. So that's what the hangout is. Cause I've been seeing the question. I've been meaning to answer them and all that. So there y'all go. But I'm finna get the Dragon put up. Like I said, I'm gonna show y'all. Cause time gonna be off, but I'm gonna show y'all can get an idea of what this thing do, what this tight setup do on 24s. It's a stock bottom. Well, it ain't stock. It's not. It's a non-forged bottom end on 93 octane, 5 pounds of boost. That's all it is. So y'all can get an idea of what type of time it's on. It's full weight car. Y'all know that minus the hood. But yeah, we finna turn y'all on. Be on the GoPro. Y'all gonna have the Dragon view. Or I'm gonna show y'all that at the end. I'm gonna be on the GoPro, and then we're gonna get wife to catch the outside view. I'm probably gonna make 2 hits. And I am gonna make 2 hits. I'm gonna make 2 hits, catch the views on that, so y'all gonna be able to see. And then we're gonna get back, get the report, and I gotta holler at y'all about what I'm expecting when I put the headers and stuff on, chain the exhaust up. So let's do it. Boy, ain't nothing like that cold start. Boy, she talk. I had to get that cold start for y'all, man. So she up here, she talking major jump. She talking major jump, man. But I'm finna hop in that car, man. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing popping, try to get it done, cause it is hot. So we're gonna try to go ahead and make it happen, man. I'm gonna see y'all on the GoPro. Get ready to make the first hit. I'm probably gonna put a little heat in the tires. I'm trying to get it go best as it can. It ain't gonna do what it normally do. I'm gonna say that, cause it's hot, man. It's hot. Lord don't like the heat. But I'm still, you know, I'm gonna show y'all, man. I'm gonna show y'all what's to it a little sample. Y'all my people. At the end of the day, I be like, damn the haters, man. I don't see why people want to race somebody and want to guarantee win anyway, and don't want to fight. Like what you can't prove your work or your car like that, man. Why you want something easy? I don't understand why people want something easy. That's why I be running mismatched stuff all the time, cause you don't never know. You don't never know what'll happen. So here we go. Yes, Lord. Finna make this little hit. Wife is scrambling across the road. Here we go. Alright. Killing stuff, man. I'm gonna turn around and make another one though. I gotta see what's up to that carburetor, man. That hesitation, boy. That hesitation really, I'm talking about, it knocking a lot of time off of it. I done timed it. How long the hesitation before it pick back up. Any kind of little hiccup you have when you running a car, any type of little hiccup gonna affect it, man. I'm telling you. That hesitation, boy, that hesitation is something else, man. I don't know, it just came out the blue, man. Like, it just showed itself out the middle of nowhere. So I don't know, I really don't know what it is. I have no idea what it is. Alright, so we're finna make another one. Go ahead and make another one, y'all. Let's see. bit, but we're spending a lot of bit. Oh boy, I'm gonna show y'all though, man. We spending a lot. Then I try to get a little more RPM, but I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, we back, man. Back from making a little shakedown, like I said. Hey, they was off, man. They was off. I'm gonna show y'all. But what y'all gonna see is off. I mean, you can let your imagination wander. But y'all know that hesitation account for a lot. And it's hot. The temperature really does affect it a lot, man. But like I said, I'm gonna show y'all. I mean, still, the engine don't never get hot. It just blower temperatures, man. Keeping blower temperature down, man. But we had to hesitate. And the second run y'all gonna see. Which, matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and roll the first run right now. So y'all see I just rolled the first run, which was the best, but it had the hesitation and it's super hot, like I said. But y'all see, man, it ain't nothing too crazy. It ain't nothing too crazy at all, man. Not too crazy at all, but it ain't bad for the cubic inches it is and for what it is. And 93 and no boost. Now you could get more out of it. You could turn it up. You can put some racing gas in it, get more boost, get more time, and it can go faster. It can go faster, man. But anyway, we're gonna get to the second pad, which I'm about to roll right now. All right, so y'all saw that second pad. Second pad way different. That's because it was spinning. I put some heat in the tires, but I got on the converter more, and it showed. Every time I get on the converter a lot, and I do it to try to get past that little hiccup or dead spot. But it went to spinning. It went to spinning bad, man. But y'all see, I mean, picture that though. Picture that. Like, think about it now. Like I said, I ain't gonna tell exactly what it run. I'm gonna tell y'all it's off. I say that much. But picture that now. Imagine. Now, I've been wanting to show y'all that, a little sample, because I want to show y'all exactly how much top end matters in a combo and all of that. Like I said, this is my combo that I spec under the hood now. I changed everything. The short block is the short block. But this is my combo under the hood. 350 cubic inches. Not 355, not 358, not 360. 350 cubic inches. That's why I was like, man, to get an engine that small to do what this thing has already shown me is impressive, man. I'm satisfied, especially with such low compression, man. Expect with low compression, expect to be still reliable, which it is. Like I said, if everything go to shit and all our cars break down, we'll drive it every day. We can drive it every day. I can put AC on it. I just got to order a condenser, back blowing snowball. So it's impressive. Cause think about how much my change up made, the difference it made. Y'all saw what the first time the car ran. That's on the 24. So y'all remember this thing had trouble getting 890 on them 14s. It finally did it, but it had trouble getting 890 on the 14s. And I just showed y'all what it did with the hiccup and a bunch of added heat. Now, when I was running the thing, it was cool, boy. But y'all see that at the end of the year. But think about it now, just let your mind wander. How much more it picked up. How much more power it picked up. It has trouble running 890 on 14-inch hard tires. And then remember I put the slicks on. It was such less power, the slick bogged it down, it went slower. So now we're on 24, and y'all seen the ticket already faster than the 890. So the Joker picked up a lot, and that's why I said I'm pretty sure and pretty positive I hit my horsepower goal which was just 400 horses. All I wanted to make was 400 horsepower. And what this car has ran and already shown me at the track on these and on the slicks, I already know it. I know it make 400. It doing what it do. I just got to put on dyno to get the confirmation. But I wanted to show y'all that, to show y'all, man, how much difference it make. From the time I bought this car, I had a plan, and when I put them heads on there, they were oversized. For the old combo, they were oversized. I knew it. But I knew how this car was going to end up. I knew what I was going to do. And now I finished it off. And it's just like I wanted. I could make it faster. I'm not trying to make it faster. So people can stop with it. I'm not trying to make this car faster, man. It's perfect like it is. If they're slow to somebody, cool. They're slow to somebody. But me being in the hot rods and knowing that 350 cubic inches, hey, man, that's okay. That's okay. I don't want to hear nothing about nobody, no smart aleck come on here talking about, well, LS is 364 cubic inches or this and that. And yeah, there is. LS is 18 degree. You can get them 15 degree. That valve ain't gonna matter on them heads, man. That valve ain't gonna matter on them heads. But for old school technology, stock block, this joke all right. And what I said I'm probably gonna do, I'm gonna build a 350 cubic inch engine or 355, but with an aftermarket block, and show people what you can do. Why would you build it with an aftermarket block? Just to show people, educate people. I do this for people that might want to run this blower, and you know I try to educate y'all. So there you have it. There you have it, man. Just a little sample. I can't give y'all the whole pie. In BCG Hangout, you got the whole pie, but I can't give y'all the whole pie. And it's gonna go faster when I put the headers on. When I change the exhaust cord, it is highly restricted. Blowers don't like to be restricted. It's gonna go faster. Guaranteed. It's gonna go faster. But anyhow, that's gonna wrap it up, man. They're gonna wrap it up. And the car looked good on the outside footage though. It definitely looked good. And I did a little antics after that, but you gotta follow me on my Instagram or the JMalcom 2004 Rides or Facebook page to see that. Cause I turned this joker loose. And wifey got a good behind view, man. I turned that joker loose. So y'all gotta see it. But yeah, man, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.